Look at Sean all masked up, ready to go to work. Yeah, all right, boss. There's our hooks going around. Oh, I got all that light there blocking me. Got the straps going down. Oh, yo, that's hot. All right, there's some more. Oh, look at it. Oh, there's some more. Oh, damn, that's nice. All right, look at that. Oh, yeah. All right, there we go, down the way. There's one of our drops. We gotta coil that right there. Nothing there. There's a drop there. There's our coil up there. Looking good.
You taking a video?
Yes. Ian wants to know why I'm taking videos. Look at these two studs. Oh, future studs of bridge cable. I love it. All right, there's our second run, our second street, as you would call it. Look at, all strapped up. Nice. What would Borat say?
Very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. That's our run. There it goes into the closet. All right, we're getting there, boss. Have a nice day.